So guys, today will not be about me, but it can be if you want it. So basically we just attempted to make a trampoline vlog. That went horribly. So I'm sweaty. That's great for our vlog today.
I think the baby bird just got out of the... Oopsie, I just spoiled it. Well, I spoiled it. Guys, there's a baby bird's nest at our house. Oh no, there's a baby bird standing up again. You have to go.
Come on. Ow. We're going to be looking at baby birds.
Is it a mama bird or a baby bird standing up?
In this tree.
Yeah?
Two of them are in here.
I know, they're all safe. It's a baby bird.
They went back into the nest?
Yeah.
There's a baby bird just standing up right there. Well, this is perfect. There's a baby bird standing up. I know it looks like a
It
lot.
looks like an adult bird, but it's really not.
Yeah, it's a little baby one.
Wait, how did that one get in? So earlier today.
They're in there.
Yes, there are.
No.
I see. At
Come
least.
down here. Look in the bushes.
Okay, we're gonna go from a different angle.
We're gonna go see if we can save some. No, I'm keeping an eye on this bird to make sure it's safe from birds. Let's have some birds right now.
Okay. Gorgeous. Butterfly. So this is the tree. Yeah, you can't see it from over here.
There's still a baby bird. I see
Where?
one.
Where?
In the tree?
Yes, in the tree.
Where?
There's one right there.
Okay, that's it. We're saving baby birds today. So earlier they were stuck and one's back in the nest. The mom was like yelling for help. It was so sad. I'm literally actually about to go save it
You guys
because
see it?
Oh gosh, that one's like on the edge.
Yeah.
where?
No, I mean that one.
Oh,
no.
that one. Yeah, he's on the edge.
Owie.
But there's a bird in there.
Where?
Why are you
Right
moving
there.
out to me,
at the
dude?
bottom. You don't see
Owie, stop.
I'm not. This does not hurt. Stop saying ow when I like lightly
Yeah.
touch you.
Wait, where's the other
Come
one?
here. I need you.
Ow, why?
Maybe
Oh,
that bird in the nest.
Owie.
How do I get up here? Laura, give me your hand. Don't drop me though.
Laura!
Are you okay?
I
Through the bush.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I thought you were really strong. What happened there?
I bet you supposed to. We have to.
But I felt like.
Come on, just get on this way.
How do we normally do this?
This way. You can just step on over here.
Wow.
Sorry, Laura.
She fell over the bush. Oh my God! This is.
Someone needs to cut these edges.
Oh, owie!
Owie!
We're gonna get bitten
At least
by
I have pants on.
spiders. What?
I got
Well, I
pants
guess I don't want to scare you.
on. What?
I saw like a weird metallic thing for a while.
What?
It was like flying. No, over here.
You see how I almost fell off?
No.
What? What?
I don't want to go first. You go first.
There is no way we're changing positions now.
Oh yes, there is.
No, there's not. Do not touch me. I'm
It's
spastic.
blue like right here. Don't stand over there.
Me and Lauren
I'm
be
sure
like.
It could have just been a fuzzy and just being hit by.
Oh!
No!
Wait! Get me down!
Stay there. Oh no, it fell.
No.
Oh no.
He fell.
Oh
No!
Okay, that's it. We're helping this
We have
little.
to help this bird.
So there's none in there. Oh, this poor mom.
Come here.
Alright, girls, don't touch it though, for real.
There's no way that
What do we
just
do
happened.
then?
We need to get like a rock or something.
Why are they? It's because of us. The first time they drove out, Laura, was when
Oh
you took
no.
pictures. It's gonna get eaten by something. Laura.
We have to help it.
Oh no, the mom.
Mom,
We
right.
got-
Okay,
we-
we have to move away.
That's why I think they keep jumping, because they're scared of us. Oh, it went that way. Look, hold on.
I see it. It's stuck in the bushes.
Well,
We need to get a
maybe I'll
stick.
go with its mom. Hold on. Let the mom do its thing.
But it can't fly. How does the mom
This is
grab
gonna
it?
get
It can
viral,
walk,
but this is actually
though.
really sad.
Oh god.
Okay, I shouldn't say that right now.
Oh gosh. Don't go up there, bud. Okay, you're up.
Oh no.
he's so good.
Oh wait, there's the
Let
mom.
come
No, wait, where did he go? He's not there.
He's right there. He's hiding.
Okay, oh my God. You could have said that. All right. Oh wait, he's scared and he can't walk. Let the mom go.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Just wait. We have to wait.
We are.
The
And
mom
there's
just
another bird
we
over
just
there.
scared the mom away.
I know, but then there's another bird over here. What do we do with this bird?
Wait, show me.
Where?
Right
Oh,
there.
I see it.
It's just standing there.
Maybe it'd be better if it did fall.
Oh wait, I
But,
see
okay, so
it.
then where's the third one?
There. It's right there.
No,
There's
that's
another
the
one.
second one.
Right there.
There's three.
Oh
Right.
Lord.
Oh, I see it.
How do you see it?
Ew. Blech. That's foul. She probably dropped it when she was peeing.
Where?
Right there.
Wait, who opened the door? I closed it.
Mommy did.
Oh.
Mommy,
bird
there's a
fell out
baby
of
bird
its
and it's stuck on
nest.
the ground.
Oh
It's
God.
like over here somewhere.
We're panicking.
It's with its mom. It's right there. Where? It's hopping. Hold on. I don't want to step on any of its siblings. It just went in that bush.
There's a baby bird and it's on the floor and the mom can't find it.
They all fell out. We watched all
Stupid
three
Racer.
today fall out of the nest.
Are they supposed to?
No.
Oh!
I think we scared them.
Because last time the mama bird was like,
I hear it. It's over here.
It's like all the way over here. Oh God.
Just careful because you didn't see it the last time.
no, I think it's because they think they're ready to fly. I don't think it's because of us getting
No, they like jumped.
Where did it go? Is it in
I think
here?
they're-
Ah!
they're ready to
Oh my God! It's right there. It's right there.
Where?
It's right there.
Oh wow!
Oh my God.
It walks right by
Oh, but its legs, they're too little to
it.
fly.
What do we do?
We need to back
Oh my
away
God!
so the
Okay,
mom
it's
can
really
help them.
scared. It's like breathing
Of
heavily.
course it's breathing. It's a bird.
Oh, the mom's over there.
But the mom's been like freaking out and watch all morning, sending help like
Oh God! What do we
right here.
do?
Baby bird.
I'm like
to
shaking.
bend around that ledge by the blue flag.
You see it?
Oh, sweetie.
They
Oh,
can't
and you're
touch
breathing
it.
so fast.
It's so scared.
Where's the
All right,
mom?
let's back away
Where's
because
the
the
mom?
mom is around.
I'm like,
Guys,
I'm
Guys, I
trying.
think that birds probably have a way of figuring this out.
The other one's just literally in a branch.
I'm like shaking.
What time was that? Like 8:30 this morning?
The mom's gonna find them and she feeds them individually when they do that. I think I
That's
know
maybe why those ones are like.
Yeah.
I see the mom. The mom's over there.
But just leave, like, but don't go near the baby
Like, Mommy,
bird.
we actually watched them in the fire.
And it's trying to get the strength to fly. So the mom will probably find each individual bird and then they will fly. And they may be well when we're inside.
Oh my gosh.
You're making
I have to walk over.
Go away.
This poor thing.
Where are your water bottles? Are they still up there?
Uh-huh.
All right, go get them. Sis.
Okay, that was interesting. And we all got it on video. Maybe I'll get more subscribers. But we're gonna help these birds. Not worry. It will all end okay. I will eventually make a video about how they're okay. And you guys do not have to worry. Huh? Okay. Well, bye. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace out.